Hi there, Lucas from UQ Army here. In this video we'll go over a type of QR code that you don't want to miss out, the coupon QR code. Discounts and promotions are enticing. Whenever we see one that catches our interest, it is almost impossible to refuse it. Coupon QR codes can make the experience of redeeming one all the more attractive. Of course, there are many types of deals that you can offer, and that is why the coupon QR code is very flexible. Not only can you decide the discount's percentage, but you can also add a barcode to ensure that the discount is valid. And speaking of validity, you can set the expiration date as well. Coupon QR codes not only benefit customers, but businesses as well. You can use one as a loyalty program for newcomers or a reward for veterans. If you want to create a coupon QR code, all you need to do is register to UQ Army, click Create QR, and select the type. It's as simple as that. Well, that's it for now. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like, share it with your colleagues, leave us your comments or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more videos about QR codes. See you later and take care.